I need more glucose, but less glucose is present in the blood. Is it clear? Now liver, it enters into the liver. Now liver will what? It will be identified, actually liver monitors. So it has stored glycogen from before. Sometimes it had stored glycogen. So what it will do, when there is less glucose, is it all right? It will convert glycogen to glucose. I repeat once more. If the blood which is carrying nutrient from small intestine to the liver, if the nutrient is more, if again reference to carbohydrate, if carbohydrate is more, which carbohydrate I am talking about? Glucose. Most of the monosaccharide which is present in the blood is glucose. So that glucose will be, if extra is there, extra glucose is taken out and is stored in the form of glycogen. Is it clear? Now it remains. Is it all right? But again, if sometimes it happens that the blood is carrying less glucose, this glycogen will be converted to glucose and will be poured into the blood. So what is happening? It is monitoring the amount of nutrient required by the body. Is it how much nutrient is needed by the body? So this is the first thing. Okay, second thing is, knowingly, unknowingly, we take lot of toxins in food. Toxins are present, you know, lot of insecticides, pesticides are used. We take different types of medicines, drugs. They have some toxic effect. So lot of toxins are taken. Is it all right? So another function is, so when the food is absorbed, toxin also moves along with the blood. Another function of liver is it detoxifies the toxin. It produces certain chemicals which can detoxify the toxins. More about it you will learn in senior classes. But right now what you know, it is detoxifying toxins. So what is the liver doing? In this case, what is the liver doing with the blood which is coming from the small intestine? First, it is regulating the amount of nutrients present in the blood. Regulating. Less, it is pouring. More, it is taking out. Regulating the amount of nutrients present in the blood. Second thing it is doing, it is detoxifying the toxins present in blood. This is so very important, because if it is pouring it directly into vena cava, why it is happening? If this goes and pours into vena cava, then the nutrients will not be present in correct amount. Nutrients which are required by our cells will not be in correct amount, plus the toxins will be reaching to the blood. Is it all right? Once it enters into the heart, it will be circulated all over the body. So before it enters into the heart, the toxins and the toxins are detoxified and nutrients are regulated. Is it all right? Now, what is the name of this blood vessel? The name of this blood vessel is hepatic portal vein. It is porting. What is the meaning of porting? Porting, carrying blood to the liver. Is it clear? This is called portal veins. There are two portal veins in our body. Is it clear? What is the characteristic of a portal vein? Portal veins, you know, what about how will you relate artery and veins to the capillaries? If we are talking about artery, how is artery related? How are arteries related or forming capillaries? How are they related? Arteries are branching to form capillaries. Of course, arterioles and further into capillaries. So what do we know? Arteries branch to form capillaries. Is it clear? And what about veins? What about veins? The capillaries join to form vein. I have told you before also. Arteries divide, ramify to form capillaries, and veins are formed by the union of capillaries. Is it clear? Veins are formed by the union of capillaries. This is one. Portal veins are typical veins which start with formation. It starts with capillaries and end in capillaries. Starting with capillaries, veins are start by the union of capillary. This is okay, but you see they are ending also in capillaries. This is a characteristic feature of portal vein. Is it all right? Portal veins, they start and end. The starting and ending both are capillaries. Okay. So what is the name of this portal vein? Hepatic portal. It is, the name is hepatic portal vein. Now the question comes, what is the function of hepatic portal system or hepatic portal vein? Is it? So if this question comes, you will never write that hepatic portal vein converts or regulates the amount of nutrients. Second, you will not write that it is detoxifying detoxifying the toxins. Why will you not write? Because this is not done by the hepatic vein, hepatic portal vein. It is done by the liver. So what will you write about it? What is the function of, how will you write the function of hepatic portal vein? I hope you are understanding what did I say. If you will not write hepatic portal vein regulates the amount of nutrients. It is not done by the hepatic portal vein. It is done by the liver. It is, you will not write that hepatic portal vein detoxifies toxin. It is not done by the hepatic portal vein. It is done by the liver. So what will you write? You will write hepatic portal vein carries blood to the liver, where first the amount of nutrients are regulated, and second you will write toxins are detoxified. So what are you writing? It is carrying the blood to the liver, and where these two things are taking place. So hepatic portal vein, what is the importance? It is taking to the liver, and liver is doing the needful. So this you have to mention. Is it clear? So this is what is hepatic portal system. Hepatic. So why is hepatic vein? Why is hepatic vein thicker than the hepatic artery? Hepatic artery is bringing blood to the liver, where exchange of gases occurring, collecting blood and coming out. Is it clear? Okay. And what is this hepatic portal? It is bringing blood from the small intestine into the liver, where the nutrients are regulated, and these finally join and come out through the hepatic vein. This is hepatic vein, and this is hepatic portal vein. Hepatic vein carries deoxygenated blood from the liver. Is it clear? And hepatic portal vein carries deoxygenated blood from the small intestine into the liver. So which all blood this vein is carrying? It is carrying blood which has come from the small intestine. It is carrying blood which has come into the liver. For two organs it is carrying. So the vein is comparatively thicker. Okay, so this is what is hepatic portal system. All right. Now we have done with it, and now we will do little bit few terms we will do.